Hello my dear students. So today we are going to start a new poem. Here you can see the title, Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. Now the question is that, is the tigers are real over here? क्या वो tigers real थे? Okay, the aunt Jennifer who was having her own tigers. Okay, let us see into the poem. Written by Adrienne Rich, who was born in USA. Especially Adrienne Rich has written many of the poems on the women's movement. She has written about females only. Okay, like whatever the problems the women have faced in her life, that the whole thing, restrictions, she has mentioned in many of her writings. She has written many of the poems, she has written many of the essays, she has given many of the articles regarding feminism. Okay, so Adrienne Rich has written many of the things regarding women. Okay, here also in Aunt Jennifer's Tigers poem, we are having such kind of beautiful story of one beautiful woman, okay, who has suffered many of the things and still she is suffering. How she has suffered, like after marriage, what kind of restrictions a woman has to face, that thing here we have given by Adrienne Rich. Okay, so now let us start to see about the restriction of Aunt Jennifer after marriage. After marriage, the life will be different for a girl. Just because that girl becomes woman and she has to maintain responsibilities as well as she has to look for each and everyone into the family. So that means she has to take care each and everyone into the family. She have to maintain many of the responsibilities of each and every people of the family. Clear? So now let us see about the poem, what the poem is going to tell us about Aunt Jennifer. First of all, first paragraph here you can see, Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance across a screen. The word across a screen and prance. Here prance means run fast. So Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance. You can write run fast or else jump over also. So she was doing like showing something on a screen. Screen means on one of the cloth. Okay, जिसको हम बोलते हैं, जो पहले के जमाने में वो होता था एंशिएंट टाइम में, जो सिलाई काम करते थे. ओके, एम्ब्रॉयडरी वर्क, that is called across a screen. I will show you in this picture. Here you can see like this kind of showing she has done on a cloth of tiger. Bright topaz, denizens of world of green. Bright topaz is a color. Here bright topaz means yellow color. Yellow. So tiger's color, you are knowing that yellow color. Okay. Denizen here means inhabitants. Denizen means inhabitants. Where they are living? Tigers are living in world of green. Here means forest. World of green means forest. So Aunt Jennifer has done the embroidery work on one of the clothes where she was prepared to draw a tiger on the cloth. Where the tigers are inhabitant of the green forest. They are having bright yellow color. They are looking very brave. Why she has done this embroidery work on cloth? Let us see. They do not fear the man beneath the tree. The tigers are looking like a man. They are not having any kind of fear. So tigers are looking literally very brave. They are not having any kind of single fear of any single animal. whether the animal is big or whether the animal is small. Tigers are not having any kind of fear into the forest. They are walking very proudly in the whole forest. Rest of the animals are getting feared from the tigers, but tigers are not having any kind of fear of other animals. So that's why tigers are not having any kind of fear. They pass. Here pass means run fast. Pass means run fast. In a sleek. Sleek means shining, blooming, shining, chivalric. Here they pass means they run fast. Okay, they run fast. They are looking like a shining, blooming animal. Here chivalric means proud. And certainty means confidence. So very confidently the tigers are walking into the forest. They are not having any kind of fear. They are feeling very proud to be a king of the jungle. Okay. So here the author has written that they pass in a sleep. They are running. They are walking into the forest with a shining color, bright yellow color, topaz, yellow color. Okay. So shining, chivalric means they are feeling very proud to walk into the forest with a confidence, certainty. So they are walking confidently into the forest because they are not having any kind of fear. So somewhere Aunt Jennifer wanted to be like tiger. Because Aunt Jennifer was having so much responsibility in her life. She cannot do anything like whatever she wanted to do. She was having some restriction. So she wanted to come out from that restrictions. She wants freedom. She wants freedom. So she wanted to be like a tiger, and that's why she has drawn tiger on a cloth as an embroidery form. Like tiger is a role model for Aunt Jennifer. Understood? Next paragraph. Let's start. Aunt Jennifer's finger fluttering through her wool. As Aunt Jennifer has started to do embroidery on a cloth, her hands were shaking. उसके हाथ कांप रहे थे. Why? Fluttering. Find even the ivory needle hard to pull. Even she cannot pull the needle very softly. Cause the hands are shaking. Just because she was having too much responsibility with a heavy mind, she is doing embroidery on the cloth. Okay. Why hands are shaking? Let us see the reason. The massive weight of uncle's wedding band. On her hand, one of the band is there. Bracelet. That has given by uncle. Okay. Means Aunt Jennifer's husband has given that wedding band, okay, as a gift, and that band weight was too much heavy. Here the weight is in using different manner. Actually bracelet का weight इतना नहीं होता है, but the weight of the responsibility. This is the responsibility belt, and that's why that belt has having too much weight. And just because of that weight, she cannot do work properly on clothes. She cannot do properly embroidery of tiger. The hands were shaking just because of that uncle's wedding band. Sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. That band was fixed on Aunt Jennifer's hand as a responsibility. Now she has to complete that responsibility. She was having too much work into the family. She has to complete all the tasks of the family members, where the uncle has not given freedom to the aunt. And that's why aunt was looking very afraid in this poem. Okay. Into the last paragraph, I will tell you the nice thing about Aunt Jennifer, how the woman can change herself from shy to proud. Okay, let us see the last paragraph. So let me explain you the third part where the final stage will come of Aunt Jennifer, how she has managed to all the things and what she is thinking about her life. Let us see. When aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie. When aunt is dead, when she is going to dead, and that time only she can get relief from that band. Okay? जब वो मर जाएगी तब वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जाएगी, उससे पहले कोई भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जाने वाली नहीं है. So, and when she is going to that, her terrified hands will lie. That terrified bell, which shows the responsibility bell. Okay, so that bell will come to an end of responsibility when she is dead. Still ringed with audience she was mastered by. She is ringed with so many responsibilities. Burden of responsibility she is having right now. So ringed means covered with, audience means difficult. Here audience means difficult. Mastered by means controlled by. She controlled all the thing very nicely. She has controlled all the thing very nicely. She wanted to do that responsibility in a good manner. Okay, and thus she has already controlled all that things into the family. But that burden cannot allow her to do any other thing. She wanted to be free. She wanted to be the fearless woman, but she cannot be. The tigers in the panel that she made, whatever the tiger she has made in that panel, in that cloth, she has embroidered. Why she has done that tiger? Just because Aunt Jennifer wanted to be like that tiger. She wanted to be proud. She wanted to be very confident. Okay. She wanted to walk very proud manner, with a proud manner. Okay, like tiger. Will go on prancing proud and unafraid. Unafraid. She don't want to get any kind of fear from any of the person from the family. She wanted to be unafraid. She wanted to be proud. She wanted to be confident, but she cannot be. So, in that cloth, she has shown her wishes to be. Whatever the wishes she wanted to be in her body, that she has mentioned in this poem. Aunt Jennifer wanted to be like tiger, but she cannot be, because uncle might be given her such kind of physical torture or might be mental torture. Here it is not mentioned over here. शायद uncle ने उसको physical या फिर mental torture किया होगा. That's why Aunt Jennifer is like fearful woman here we can see, but she wanted to be fearless. But she cannot be, just because of that uncle's wedding band. She was having too much responsibilities in this poem, and thus Aunt Jennifer wanted to be like tiger, and that's why here we are having the title Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. Just because she also wanted to be like a tiger, brave, bold and confident. Understood? So this is the poem. Now if you are having any kind of query, you can ask me into the live session. Okay? Thank you.